Welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed how we can extract data from large data files using the exact match feature within the VLOOKUP function. In this video, let's discuss how we can use the approximate match feature in the VLOOKUP function. Here we have a data table with the name of the students, the marks obtained, and we need to give a grade to all the students based on the criteria given here. So the student who has scored from 35% to 49.99% is a D grade, from 15% to 59.99 is a C grade, and likewise the grade increases to B, B plus, A, and A plus as the score increases. So in such tables, we can use the approximate feature of the VLOOKUP function. So let's first see what happens if we use the exact match here. So we have to give a grade based on the marks obtained. So we will type is equal to VLOOKUP bracket open. The lookup value is the marks obtained, comma. The table array is the array given here. So in column I, we have the ranges, and in column J, we have the starting range. So the lookup value has to be the starting range. So we will select the range with the grades in column J and K, comma. The column index number is 2 because grade is in the second column from the starting range. And if we say that we want an exact match, if we type 0 or false, close the bracket and enter, so we get an error. Let's see if we use this formula for the entire table. So if I double click over here, so this formula gets pasted the below cells, and we see that it's an error. If let's say a student gets a 50 over here, which is an exact match, then the grades would work. But since there are no exact matches, we get an error. So what we can do in such cases is we can use the approximate match feature of the VLOOKUP function over here. Instead of 0, we will type 1 or true and enter. So as we do it, we see that the grades are given, which is B plus in this case. So this student has obtained 70.24 and gets a B plus grade. So from 70 to 79.99%, it is a B plus. So this formula is working fine now. So we can copy this formula to the below cells and see how it works. So a student with 45 percentage marks is getting a D grade. So in this case, if the student obtains from 35% to 49.99%, the grade is D. So this is working fine. Here a student has obtained 97.85%, which is A plus. So again, this is according to the criteria given. So in such cases where we don't have the exact matches, we can use the approximate match feature within the VLOOKUP function. We just need to remember one thing, that in such cases, this table has to be in an ascending order. If we change the order of this table to descending or some other order, then this exact match feature will give us wrong answers. Thank you.